If you're a Christian, Valentine's Day is about an execution. A beheading, actually. In the 3rd century, under Emperor Claudius II, Christianity was actually illegal in Rome, and the emperor decided that single men made better soldiers, so he banned marriage, but a priest named Valentine disagreed. He believed that marriage wasn't a government contract and it was sacred, so he secretly married Christian couples anyways. When the empire found out, he was arrested and beaten and executed on February 14th. So that's what this day is actually named after. Not romance, but martyrdom. While he was in prison, tradition says that he actually healed a jailer's blind daughter, and before his execution, he wrote her a note signed, "From your Valentine." His skull is currently displayed in Rome, crowned with flowers. So Valentine's Day wasn't created to celebrate feelings. It remembers a man who died because he believed that love was worth suffering for. So the real meaning of Valentine's Day isn't who bought me flowers. It's, is my love sacrificial? Because the original Valentine lost his head over it.